Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how you can get voice chat on Roblox Mobile in 2025 without using any ID. And yes, this is actually working. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. I know most tutorials are clickbait, but in this video, I'll explain exactly what's possible right now, what's not, and how you can actually use voice chat safely, even if you don't have a government ID. Let's keep it real. Officially, Roblox Voice Chat needs you to verify your age using a government ID and face scan. That's their current policy. No ID, no official voice chat. But there are some legit tricks that can help. Most viral videos either lie or show old methods that don't even work anymore. So what actually does work in 2025? First method. If you ever verified your Roblox account before, even years ago, your voice chat might still work, even without re-uploading ID. Second method. Some people use a verified account from a friend or sibling just to access voice chat. Not recommended long-term, but it can work short-term. But here's the interesting part. Roblox is testing a new system where they might use AI-based age detection instead of ID. So soon, you might not need ID at all. Watch out for fake apps, fake websites, or anything that asks for your Roblox login. That's a straight-up scam. Don't risk losing your account. To check if your account already has voice chat access, go to Roblox. Enter to More option. Go to Settings. Then go to Privacy. Here, enter to Communication. If the voice chat toggle is there, congrats, you're in. If it's not showing, it means your account needs verification, either through ID or wait for the AI age check system rollout. So yes, while there's no magic hack to get voice chat with zero effort, there are real working ways depending on your account, and more changes are coming soon. Comment below if your voice chat worked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.